Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Crimson Desert game not launching, not opening, crashing, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS, black screen, or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. After that, next method is to check for Crimson Desert updates. So apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure if there is any update available, update your game and after that launch it and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help tackle the issue. Follow the steps. Press Xbox symbol on a controller. Now move down to profile and system. Here select settings, system and then console info. Then select reset console. After that select reset and keep my games and apps option and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check storage. For that press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system and then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that you have to open settings on your Xbox, then select device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. After that launch the game and check. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove. Then select remove option. After that add the account again and then check whether the issue is fixed or not. Next method is to reinstall Crimson Desert game. For that press Xbox button controller, move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select Crimson Desert, now press menu button and then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Crimson Desert official website and download the game and then check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about their. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end, so that you can play the game hassle free. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.